Hello everyone, we are back here with a new shortcut trick to find differentiation of an implicit function. First, you must know what is an implicit function. Here you can see an example. In this example, you can't separate x and y. Means they are inseparable. You can't express x in the terms of y and y in the terms of x. So this is an example of implicit function. How to find derivative very quickly of this kind of function? Let's see. In two steps you can find easily. First step, take all the terms or shift all the terms in the left side. Means there should be 0 only in right side. Step 1, shift all the terms in left side, 0 on. Step 1, shift all the terms in left side, 0 on right side. Step 2, derivative. By using this shortcut formula, which is minus derivative with respect to x, take y as constant, upon derivative with respect to y, take x as constant. Let's apply the formula in example. Dy by dx minus derivative of this function with respect to x. X cube will be 3x square. Y cube will be 0 because we are taking y as constant. Plus 2y is 3x square. Y cube will be 0 because we are taking y as constant. Plus 2y is constant, derivative of x is 1. Sin y 0 minus 100 0 upon, now with respect to y, taking x as constant, this will be 0, y cube will be 3y square, plus 2x will be constant this time and the derivative of y will be 1, sin y will be plus cos y, and this will again be 0. That's it. In two steps, and you have just found the derivative of this implicit function. Here is another example of implicit function. We will find the derivative of this function by those two steps. Step number 1, shift all the terms in left side and 0 should be in right side. You can see 0 is already in the right side. Now just come directly to the step number 2, which is that formula derivative, which was minus a derivative of function with respect to x, taking y as constant, derivative of with respect to y, taking x as a constant. Apply this, dy by dx minus derivative of sin xy with respect to x will be cos xy. By chain rule, x into y, taking y as constant, so the derivative of x will be 1, minus y is constant and derivative of x will be 1, upon, now with respect to y, sin's derivative again will be cos xy. This time we are taking x as constant and the derivative of y will be 1, minus x is constant and derivative of y cube will be 3y square, x as constant, plus y with respect to y, so the derivative of 5y will be 5. This is our answer. With the help of this shortcut formula, we have found the derivative of implicit function. Question we've done previously was a simplified implicit function. You can see in previous question there was no power, they were simplified. Now this is a non-simplified implicit function. So first we have to make it simplified by conventional method. How to make it? By taking log both sides. If you take log both sides, log property will be applied on it. By log property, power will come before the function. Yes. Now it's become a simplified function. Follow the same procedure. Step number 1, shift all the term in left side. Make 0 in right side. Step number 2, use that formula. dy by dx minus derivative of function with respect to x. P is constant, 1 by x. Q is constant, log y. Y is taking as constant, it will become 0. P plus Q as constant. Derivative of this will be 1 upon x plus y. Derivative of x will be 1 plus 0 upon, now x as constant, it will become 0. Q 1 upon y minus P plus Q 1 upon x plus y, because x is constant, 0 plus 1, and the derivative of this function finally will be this, P upon x, P plus Q upon x plus y, Q upon y, P plus Q upon x plus y. That's it. This shortcut trick you can use in any yours competitive exam, or you can also use it in your CBSE board exam to verify your answer while you are doing your question with conventional method, but it will be very helpful to verify your answer. And also, if you want more videos on shortcut trick, please like, subscribe and share this channel. I'll be back very soon with new shortcut trick. Till then, bye everyone.